System errors causing the Emotedriver.dll crashes in your apps? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. For professional-grade Emotedriver module maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This DLL file is a library associated with the Emote facial animation system. It provides the runtime engine for rendering expressive 2D and 3D character animations in games and interactive storytelling applications on PC. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. Since the Emotedriver.dll is a third-party application file associated with hardware utility, it isn't part of Windows. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of hardware utility will restore the correct version of this file to your local directory. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the Emotedriver module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Be aware that manual fixes for the Emotedriver.dll often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with the Emotedriver module. If you've regained access to the Emotedriver module thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.